Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by x and y squared minus 1. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we know that this one that is about identity. So I will put about y minus 1, y plus 1. Next, I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. So I will put dy in here. Number 2 that is about 1 plus 1. Next, I will put y in here. Later that we need to put negative y so that they can cancel each other. Now we can do about factorization by this one. And we have y minus 1. So this one divided by this one divided by this one. So we have 1 over y minus 1 minus 1 over y plus 1. The integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of x. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y minus 1 and so on in here. And then I will put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.